everyone, good morning. It's a new day today. Beautiful people, good morning. I hope you guys are doing okay and have a good health and happy family today. And today we will cook a fish today, and I will show you my ingredients. Secret ingredients for my fish. Now the ingredients of our recipe today is spring onions, rosemary, and tomatoes, and also salt. Okay, first we have to do is we have to put a rosemary inside the fish. Next one is the spring onions. Like that. The same thing in the other side, the other fish. The same thing we will do. Put rosemary in it and onions. Alright. More onions. Alright. Now, the next thing that we will do is, we have a lot of rosemary and onions. We will grill also our tomato and put on top of the fish, because this is tomatoes on fish. Okay, next that we will do is we will put a little bit salt. Like that. Okay, that's enough. Then we are done. We are ready to grill our fish. Tomatoes on fish. Now come with me in the grill outside. Our fish is in there and the grill. The next one that we will do is we will put our tomatoes right there. We will grill also our tomatoes. Now let's flip our tomato. Use our fingers because it will run. Use the finger. Alright. Now the next one that we will flip is our fish. Flip the fish. In it. Alright, there you go. Alright, now that's our fish. Alright. Now it's time for us to take our tomato. Set this aside, and then when the fish will be cooked, we will put on top of the fish. There you have it, our tomatoes on fish. Thank you for watching and see you in my next video. Bye!